Welcome to BobMath. In this video, we have a new exercise for algebra. Well, our exercise is as follows. We have x, y, and z as positive real number. Show that for greater than or equal square root of 2x plus 1 plus square root of 2y plus 1 plus square root of 2z plus 1. Always, before discussing the solution, try to complete the exercise to increase your skill in mathematics. Then complete the video. We know that square root of 2x plus 1 minus 1 all square greater than or equal 0. Then square root of 2x plus 1 all square plus 1 square minus 2 times square root of 2x plus 1 times 1 greater than or equal 0. Therefore, 2x plus 1 plus 1 minus 2 square root of 2x plus 1 greater than or equal 0. So 2x plus 2 greater than or equal 2 square root of 2x plus 1. Now 1 divided by 2 times 2x plus 2 greater than or equal 1 divided by 2 times 2 square root of 2x plus 1. Now we simplify the number 2. So we got 2x plus 2 divided by 2 greater than or equal square root of 2x plus 1. Now we have common factor the number 2. So 2 times x plus 1 divided by 2 greater than or equal square root of 2x plus 1. So simplify the number 2. So we got x plus 1 greater than or equal square root of 2x plus 1. We call this inequality 1. And the same way we show that y plus 1 greater than or equal square root of 2y plus 1. And z plus 1 greater than or equal square root of 2z plus 1. We call this inequality 2 and this inequality 3. Now we add these inequalities 1, 2, and 3 side by side. So we got x plus 1 plus y plus 1 plus z plus 1 greater than or equal square root of 2x plus 1 plus square root of 2y plus 1 plus square root of 2z plus 1. Therefore, x plus y plus z plus 3 greater than or equal square root of 2x plus 1 plus square root of 2y plus 1 plus square root of 2z plus 1. We know that x plus y plus z equals 1. So 1 plus 3 greater than or equal square root of 2x plus 1 plus square root of 2y plus 1 plus square root of 2z plus 1. Therefore, 4 greater than or equal square root of 2x plus 1 plus square root of 2y plus 1 plus square root of 2z plus 1. Therefore, this is the relationship required in this exercise. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.